We just harvested a couple lemons off the lemon tree. Actually, it more fell off. This lemon tree started not doing so good. Maybe it didn't have enough water, but I've watered all the plants thoroughly now. And it's a big mess. Hopefully it'll come back, but we got 4 lemons actually, just from this tree. And we still have this lemon tree, which is doing perfectly fine. Many more to harvest. We'll probably harvest this today or tomorrow, but for now, we have nice big lemons. Also, in the garage, since there are no natural insects like ladybugs that will eat the aphids and other bad insects, you have to spray neem oil or else it becomes a big issue. I've already seen it on all the hibiscuses. Hibiscuses are like the main attractors of bugs. If you don't spray, it'll get really bad. So make sure you do that if you keep plants inside. So after putting the cover, I decided to add a thermostat to see what's the difference between the outside temperature and the inside temperature to see if there's a big difference. If there's not big of a difference, I either have to turn the lights a bit longer or see if I can do anything else. So we'll see how the temperature looks after a couple of hours.
So I'm planning to leave these tiny ones to see till how long they can sustain. Right now I have plugged enough, but they did pretty good. It's moringa. Needed some. It's still doing good, but we don't know how long. But you can see here, few have turned yellow, but these ones are really good. Show me in your hand. Oh, green chilies. Yeah. So everything has turned red, and I left it purposely because there are too many green chilies, and I left it in the plant so it dries out and I can store it. I'm plucking green chilies now for cooking. So peppers are the one which are really good even in the winters. You can see the habaneros. So many. Good. Keep plucking them. And I'm planning to leave the green ones a bit to see if it can sustain for a long time. How long it can sustain. I have here to touch.